What's up guys, Chris from Gamma Construction here. I have this video of this project we did 2 to 3 years ago and I never had anywhere to post it, but now that I have a YouTube channel, I'll plug it in right here. So let me know what you think.
So what happened is that this apartment caught fire and the owner came to us asking if it was possible to save it. And if you ask me, I think we did a great job and it looks a lot better than it did before the fire. So here are some of the pictures of before, and then I'll also plug in the pictures of after, and towards the end you could see the video of the whole layout once it's complete. So we were also on the 3rd floor of this apartment complex. So you can see it was a little bit of a challenge. Taking everything out, walking it over to the dumpster, and trash cans. But the final result was very, very worth the trips that we took. Right here in this next clip is where I show what we did at the beginning and going on, step by step into the process of remodeling this apartment. As you can see, of course, we had to remove all the drywall, throw out all the old appliances, throw everything away. And if you don't already, make sure to follow us at Gamma Construction IL on Instagram and Facebook.
We're gonna start tomorrow.
Also, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and leave us some feedback, and I'll make sure to read it and get back to you.